It's been a while since Adrian last did a paper art, and today he's going to show you guys how to make a paper frog tongue, which you can use it for your birthday parties and stuff like that. He's going to show you how it works. Doing, doing. Yep. Alright, so Adrian, take it away. Show people how to fold a frog tongue. You need to cut an A4 paper into half. Take one of the side and fold it into half. Make sure you flatten the lines. Fold it into half, but make sure you get the angles correct as shown by Adrian. Triple fold. Okay, you open everything up so you can see all the lines over there. As you can see, the lines are not straight, they are slanted. Then you start folding on those lines. Pinch those lines. So you pinch the first line, then you turn it around, you pinch the second line, so you have the pinch part alternate throughout the whole strip. One top, one bottom, one top, one bottom. Almost there, we are almost there. I hope you guys are able to follow through so far. It's looking like we are done with the pinching. Four pinched part one side and 3 pinches on the other side. Okay, Now we fold them. We fold them up and we try to collapse that and flatten it nice and flat. And now we have the frog tongue for party use. Whee! 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 One more time. Dish, 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 dish. There you go. Frog tongue for party use. Thank you so much for your time. Thank you, Adrian, for showing us how to do another wonderful paper arts. Thank you. Please remember to like and share it with your friends. Alright, take care. See you on the next one. Bye bye.